How to make money online. This video will show you how to use the internet to build a profitable second source of income. Inflation has caused the cost of living to escalate rapidly. Having extra income is a necessity nowadays. This video contains ideas on how to build a second income online fast. If you are looking for money to supplement your current income, then watch this video till the end to find out how. Can you make money online? Let's listen to Todd, a top online marketer in the USA, has said about making money online.
The internet has brought about incredible change and opportunity like never before. Did you know that it is actually possible to make a full-time income online without even leaving your home? And I'm not talking about a small profit here. There are thousands upon thousands of people currently earning incomes through online marketing, some over $1 million. But just because the path to success is out there doesn't mean it will be easy to follow. You need a guide, someone with experience who knows the way to success. We'd love to share more with you about this exciting new opportunity. To learn more, simply follow the directions on this very page. We look forward to sharing our secrets with you.
Maybe you're trapped in the rat race and your 9-to-5 job doesn't pay enough? Maybe you're retired and you need more income to supplement your pension fund? Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, looking for a work-at-home part-time or even full-time venture. Or you may just want to make more money for whatever purpose you have in mind. Well, this opportunity is right here at your doorstep, and it could be perfect for you. You can work at home, work anywhere, work anytime. All you need is a computer and internet connection. It's up to you how much time you want to invest in it. If you're still having your 9-to-5 job, this is ideal for you to set up a side hustle and turning it into a full-time business later. Work on your new project part-time after office hours and using your spare time during weekends and off days. As long as you work 1 to 2 hours a day, this could make you a consistent daily income. Do you know that you can use the internet to build a good second income? While you may be happy with your day job, but if your job doesn't allow you to save money for rainy days, your children's education fund, medical expenses, or your retirement fund, you should seriously look for a second income. Today's technology allows you to have multiple income streams without disrupting your 9-to-5 job. Many people have taken advantage of this new development and have created substantial wealth for themselves. Living in this modern digital age, you just cannot ignore this trend, or else you will be falling behind your peers for the rest of your life. Work-at-home small business opportunities with flexible work hours and potential passive income are available to those willing to take the risk. The best part is that you can do all of this while still working on your regular 9-to-5 job. You're not tech-savvy and have no technical skills. Don't worry, advancement in technology has produced a lot of absolutely beginner-friendly software and programs to help ordinary people like you and me. Nowadays, earning extra income is becoming more of a necessity if you want to lead a more comfortable life for you and your family, at present and in the future. Since I started my internet business 3 years ago, I have earned enough money to have holidays yearly in some of the best resorts. Do you wish to have your dream holidays too? This is now possible if you have a second income source. While you still have the energy and capacities to work longer hours, why not make full use of your spare time to start a side business, to earn extra income for wealth creation and other financial goals you have in mind? Do you have the time to do it? Well, everyone has the same 24 hours in a day. And if you don't think you have the time to earn extra income, then you may want to critically examine how you spend your free time. It's your choice how to spend your free time. But you may be wasting time each day, which can prevent you from reaching your financial goals. Many people have built a side business that earns a good second income in their spare time after work, on weekends, and on off days. If they can do it, you can follow their footsteps and improve your own financial position. What determines your success in building a second income? In my opinion, you can't start a business or run one without a good attitude. Similar to starting any other businesses, launching a small side business online is not a walk in the park. It involves a major change in your mental attitude and work habits to really make it work. Even if your new business is just a side hustle, there are times when things get negative. You may get bogged down by a lot of issues like technical problems, low productivity, slow progress, lack of support from family members and friends. If you don't handle these issues properly, your stress will quickly build up, leading to bigger problems, including abandoning your whole project. Starting a side business requires your total commitment. This sense of duty or dedication is military-like in nature. It is a no-nonsense attitude. A positive attitude with full commitment is the best way to deal with stress and frustration that may arise along the way. How do you get started in building your side business? You need a guide to help you to launch your project. This guidance will help you to avoid all the pitfalls and allow you to make money online fast. You can get access to some high-impact training courses here for a substantial discount. Click the links below. You have the golden opportunity to quickly improve your financial status. With proper guidance, you can now start your project with low capital, no experience, and tech skills. Don't miss this once-in-lifetime opportunity to make more money online. Click the link below to get started. All the best to you in your new venture.